Hi, I'm Whitney. I'm a senior here at JCSU University. Every year it's a pain to do FAFSA, but it's important. So let's walk through how to do it together. Financial aid has helped me, and here's how it can help you. First, you have to go to studentaid.gov/FAFSA and log in. Next, you're going to find the 2024 through 2025 FAFSA form and click Start New Form. Check Student, and you're on your way. Then there are 4 short pages with text and video to help you understand the FAFSA form. If you have any questions, this will probably answer them. Then review the info below and verify it's correct before moving forward. Add your state of legal residence and the year you became a resident. That's when you were born if you've always lived there. Next, provide consent and approval for the FAFSA to obtain your tax return info automatically from the IRS. You have to select Approve to be eligible for the federal aid. You will have to invite your parents at the end of this section. For this, you'll need their date of birth, social security number, and their email. Next, you'll answer some demographic questions. This shouldn't take too long, and your responses won't impact your eligibility to receive aid. Now it's time for the financial section. This is probably going to be the hardest section for a lot of people. If it's possible, you might want to get some help from your parents or the Office of Financial Aid. We're almost done. Here you're going to enter the JCSU Schools Code, which is 002936. Woo! We made it. Take a moment to review your information, check the box, and click Sign. You've done your part, but your FAFSA is not complete until your parent fills out their section. Don't let them forget. If you have any questions, the JCSU Office of Financial Aid is always available to help. You can call or email them using the contact info on the screen. Or you can visit them on the 2nd floor of Biddle Hall, Suite 215.